Hello guys, today we're reviewing Highett Skatepark. We have like a kind of street, small kind of park. It's been here for a while. It's pretty old. I think it's almost older than me, but yeah. It's more of a street park. It's not that much transition. It's like a rolling bank and a wall ride and a little A-frame thing. I think that's what you call it. Have a look around and I'll review a bit of the park. I also have a skate. Let's go. The skate park is around 45 minutes from the city, like a train on Frank's Line to Highett Station, and then catch a quick bus to here. You see the bus stop here, there, catch an 828, and you're here. Alright, looking at the skate park, you can see it's kind of old with the old prefab ramps. It's kind of still safe though, because it's not metal. You won't get burnt. The ground is kind of bad. It's like, you can still skate over it, but if you like fall on this, you're definitely getting your skin scraped. Like, it's kind of just a safety hazard. The ground there is good though. That's a weird thing. The ledges are nice. They're like not too sticky. You can just wax them. They're like nice quality ledges. The rails are also good. Well, have a quick skate and check some other stuff. Just a quick warning before you skate. The water taps, they're not like super close here, so you have to walk all the way up that hill to this playground there, and then you can get some water. I'm not sure about the toilets too. If you need a piss, you just go into the bush or something, because there's not really any good toilets around here. Alright, quick edit. I forgot to talk about this during the video, but the park gets kind of dirty because the trees, they just drop like sticks and debris all over the park. So yeah, just be careful on like a windy day, or like after it just rained, because that happens. One of my favorite things skating here is this PS7 kind of manual pad. I like 15ing it and just doing manuals off it as like warm-up tricks. We'll have a quick skate of it now. Let's go. Alright, manual time. Dropping. Okay. Alright, there's this nice roll ride thing I like doing here. I'm gonna drop down here, careful up at the bank, no slide the ledge. It's kind of hard, but let's try. Finally, took me a while. Alright, some quick thoughts about this park. I honestly wish there was a quarter pipe at this little area here. Imagine you just do a trick down there, they do a trick on the quarter pipe, like a rock to fakie, and go down. They do another trick up here. That would be really good. Another thing I wish was over here, there was a bit more spaced out, because right now there's like not even enough run up to like, you know, do a trick up the bank. It's kind of just like really bad. You can do it dropping down the wall ride, but like that's just, it's still not enough speed, you know. So I wish this was just a bit more space here. Like maybe set this back a little bit more there. Yeah. We'll have another skate right now. Alright, now we're done with that section. Time to skate this little area, like the flat bar and these ramps. Both like this down rail right here. Alright, so in my overall review of the skate park, in my opinion, I'd say this park is like a 3 out of 5. Because this park is really unique and fun for how small it is. But the biggest thing setting it back is just how old it is and how crusty the ground is. And also, like the trees that just drop stuff onto the ground that makes it hard to skate. But honestly, like I'd still say visit this park. Cause it's still like pretty good for a chill session. Like learning tricks and stuff. Alright guys, I'm wrapping up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next video about Bullding Skate Park. That's gonna be really good. So yeah, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.